Welcome back. It is a troubling time for many homeowners across Louisiana. Insurance premiums are skyrocketing and many families are scrambling to find something affordable.
Well, several companies, remember, they went belly up and dropped tens of thousands of policies. We learned just recently, Gina, another insurance company just left the state, UPC, and that'll take effect in January. So what should you do if you are in a bind? I spoke with experts for advice to see if there's any relief in sight for you.
I'm inclined to want to shift some funds around to be sure that we have everything in place because we're on this fixed income. How frustrating it is.
Some homeowners' American dream crushed by the current insurance market.
There's no doubt we're in an insurance crisis and people are hurting.
Jeff Albright of Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of Louisiana says premiums have doubled for many homeowners, and others have seen an increase of about $3,000 a year, or in some cases even more. After Hurricanes Ida and Laura, several insurance companies failed. Other companies stopped writing new policies. Some raised rates, and still others left the state entirely. So what is the average homeowner supposed to do? Albright says always shop around and do your research. There are still options out there.
There's a lot of different types of insurance agents that you can go to get a quote on your insurance.
Second, he wants you to consider a higher deductible, which will lower your premium. It may not sound enticing, but it's one way to help you save some money.
While it's no fun to have a higher deductible, it can save you some premium.
Insurance Commissioner Jim Donnellan says there is relief on the horizon. He is working to entice more insurance writers to the area by offering them bonuses or incentives.
Several companies have indicated to me that if we get through this hurricane season without an event, and we're close to through it now, that they will resume writing new business, even in challenged areas like St. Tammany, Orleans, and Jefferson Parish.
More private insurers in the market will help drive rates down. His $15 million incentive program needs approval from lawmakers following several meetings in December.
That's coming as soon as we can get the legislature, which is supportive of funding with money that is paid by the insurance company to the insurance department.
If it all goes as planned, insurers should start participating next year. But in the meantime, homeowners are feeling hopeless as the rising premiums drown their expenses.
Especially if you're retired and, you're more or less on a fixed income, and many times the insurance can have an impact on your budget.
All right, so many homeowners can relate to this, and homeowners whose policies were dropped turned to Citizens Insurance, which is the state-run carrier of last resort, you may recall. And by law, Citizens' rate is higher than a private insurer to keep it from getting too big and putting the state at financial risk. Unfortunately, Citizens' rates also went up another whopping 63% recently. So Donnellan says the best option right now for homeowners is to go ahead and shop around, and next year we may see